Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is Gauss's law, write its differential and integral form. First of all, we will define Gauss's law. Gauss's law states that total electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to 1 over E naught times total charge enclosed by that surface. Total electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to 1 over E naught times total charge enclosed by that surface. Phi E is equal to 1 over E naught times total charge enclosed by that surface. Now we prove Gauss's law. Consider a surface in which positive charge Q. At any point we take a small element dA. Electric field lines goes outward to the normal. The angle between E and dA is theta. Consider a positive Q charge enclose any surface. Take a small length. Take a small element dA. Electric field lines goes outward. Electric field lines goes outward. The angle between E and dA is theta. Now electric field intensity E is equal to kq upon r square into r unit vector. This is the vector form of electric field intensity. Electric flux through area element is d phi E is equal to E dot dA. Net flux is equal to integrating both sides. d phi E is equal to E dot dA. Phi E is equal to, putting the value of E, kq upon r square into r unit vector, and dA is outward to the normal, and dA कांस्टेंट को बाहर लिख लें, k q 1 over r square into r unit vector and dA 1 over r square into r unit vector dA is equal to d omega. It is the solid angle which is equal to 4 pi. So we can put the value of d omega kq into 4 pi. Put the value of k. What is the value of k? K is equal to 1 over, you know that k is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Flux E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught and q into 4 pi, cancel 4 pi to 4 pi, 1 over E naught into q. This is electric flux through Gauss's law. Electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to 1 over E naught times total charge enclosed by that surface. Now we want to find the differential and integral form of Gauss's law. Integral form of Gauss's law you can find by volume charge density, and volume charge density is defined as charge per unit volume. Rho is equal to dq upon dv, डिवाइड हो रहा है इधर जाकर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, dq इज इक्वल टू रो dv, इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड्स, q इज इक्वल टू रो dv. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. बाय यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स E is equal to E dot dA. This is equation number 2. You know that by using Gauss's law, electric flux phi E is equal to 1 over E naught epsilon naught total time charge enclosed by that surface. This is equation number 3. By comparing equation number 2 and 3, you can write E dot dA is equal to 1 over E naught into Q. Putting the value of Q is 1 over E naught rho into dV. This is equation number 3. E dot dA is equal to 1 over epsilon naught rho into dV. This is the integral form of Gauss's law. Integral form of Gauss's law. But now आप डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म इसी इंटीग्रल फॉर्म से निकाल सकते हैं. E डॉट dA इज इक्वल टू 1 over E naught V rho into dV. Now using Gauss's divergence theorem states that surface integral of normal component of vector A is equal to the volume integral of divergence of vector V. E dot dA is equal to volume integral of divergence of vector V del dot E. Now comparing equation number A and B, del dot E, आप सेकंड इक्वेशन को पहले लिख लें, del dot E into dV is equal to 1 over E naught rho into dV. ये इधर आके माइनस हो जाएगा, V del dot E minus 1 over rho upon E naught, और कॉमन क्या आ रहा है दोनों में, dV कॉमन आ रहा है, dV इज इक्वल टू 0. तो ये यहाँ पे इंटीग्रल फॉर्म है, ये डिफरेंशियल है, तो ये इंटीग्रल और डिफरेंशियल आपस में कैंसिल हो जाते हैं और आपके पास क्या आता है, डेल डॉट E इज इक्वल टू, ये माइनस है, जब दूसरी साइड पे गया तो क्या हो जाएगा, रो अपॉन ए नॉट. दिस इज द डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ Gauss's लॉ. तो ये था स्टेट Gauss's लॉ, राइट इट्स डिफरेंशियल एंड इंटीग्रल फॉर्म ऑफ Gauss's लॉ. पहले हमने डिफाइन किया, फिर उसको हमने प्रूफ किया, वो आता है फाई इज इक्वल टू 1 ओवर ई नॉट. उसके बाद हमने इंटीग्रल एंड डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म ली. इंटीग्रल के लिए वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी ली और ये उसको डिफाइन किया. उसके बाद डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म ली. डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म इंटीग्रल फॉर्म से आपने निकाली Gauss's. यहाँ पे आपने Gauss's डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम अप्लाई किया है और Gauss's डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम क्या होता है, सरफेस इंटीग्रल ऑफ नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट ऑफ वेक्टर A इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल ऑफ डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ वेक्टर E. ठीक है, ये है differential and integral form. Thank you very much.